All right, today's remix is going to be a bit spicier. So we've been asked for a spicier version of the dice roll program. So this one is to make a dice roller that actually looks like more like a real dice with dots on it. And so you can see I've got a 5 here. When we press the button, it's gonna show the rolling, and you are seeing different dice rolls every time you press button A. How are you gonna do something like that? We're about to show you, stay tuned. All right, for the spicy remix, we are going to use the ASCII art module, which is right here, to draw some dice images. And so this is just a simple, like as simple as we could make it, array of dots. And you can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots wide by 7 dots high. And those are pixels that you can expand, you can scale out to the whole screen. You can kind of see how this represents the 1 die, and then there's 2 dots and 3 dots and so forth. So feel free to draw these however you want. You could draw multiple die, all kinds of stuff you could do there. The ASCII art module lets you get the images from that ASCII, so you can just say get images, and now I've got an array of images. So this will be all 6. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them here. So then I'm in, just like in our mild remix for dice rolling, I'm inside of a while loop, an endless loop, and I check for button A to be pressed. Then here, I'm actually using another function from the random module called choice, and you can give it an array, which images is going to be an array of images or a list of images, and from that list it will pick a random item. So it's picking a random die from the list, and we're just using display.show. Display.show scales whatever ASCII art image you have to the full screen. So that's how we get the full screen version of the die. So if I run this, every time I press A, I'm gonna get a new dice roll. And that's cool, but it's like just instantly showing me, what if I'm rolling the same number each time? Like I just rolled 2 4s, it's going to look like I didn't even roll. So we need to show some progress. So one more thing we're gonna do is show some flickering dice rolling while it's happening. So when you press the button, you don't immediately see the final answer. So to do that, it's really easy. We're just gonna add, instead of immediately just when the button is pressed, displaying a single dice roll, we're gonna do a quick little for loop. For I in range 10. The die is going to bounce around 10 times before it shows the final answer. So it's just doing that 10 times. So if we run it that way, when I hit A, now you can see it flickering through a few dice rolls before it lands on the final one, just like a real dice. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Happy coding.